Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to get Amex Centurion Black Card. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want the ultimate financial status symbol here, well, the legendary Amex Centurion Black Card is that card. Now, the absolute best part about it is the mind-blowing VIP access that opens doors or money alone usually can't touch. Now, for starters, you get a dedicated 24/7 personal lifestyle manager who can pull off genuine magic, like scoring front row tickets to sold out global concerts or securing impossible tables at fully booked Michelin starred restaurants. Now, when you travel here, a personal guide meets you right at the airplane door, fast tracks you through airport customs, and escorts you to your ride. Now, you also get automatic top tier status across the board here, including Delta Platinum Medallion, Hilton Diamond, and Merit Gold, alongside a free premium Equinox Gym membership. Now, to position yourself uh, to get one, now you have to build a flawless, heavy hitting track record with American Express first. So, typically, by using a card like the Amex Platinum for at least a year, the big secret is that you need to be pushing a massive amount of volume through your account. Now, while Amex keeps the exact math kind of like a secret here, the widely accepted baseline is that you need to spend and pay off anywhere from $350,000 to half a million a year on your personal cards, all while maintaining an exceptional credit score. Now, if you are consistently hitting those numbers, you can actually log onto their special Centurion landing page online to formally submit a request for a review. But the thing with this one is there's a catch. Now, it's actually quite exclusive. Now, you can't just apply for this card. It is strictly invitation only. So Amex has to internally review your file, deem you a fit for their ultra elite circle, and extend a formal invite, which triggers a heavy $10,000 initiation fee and a $5,000 annual fee just to officially join the club. So it's not for everyone. So if you do fit their criteria, usually they will reach out to you either via phone or via email and basically send an email or some form of link that you could use to sign up for their program. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.